Alright, in my video today I am going to give you a few useful tips how you can quickly create bill of materials and sketch any structure, any product bill of materials using OpenBOM out of the box. You don't need to get anything prepared, you don't need design, CAD systems, you just want to sketch something that can be very useful. So I will show you a couple of options. So the first option is just to create bill of materials from scratch and use the plain OpenBOM create bill of material function. So let's say I'm doing some demo skateboard, and I'm eliminating anything that I don't want to have, catalog, anything. I just want to sketch, okay? So, and I'm getting bill of materials, and I can just start typing things here. Okay, so I get board, and I get axle assembly, and I get a wheel, and I got a bolt, and I got nut. Okay, so and now I know that I have one board, and I have two assemblies, and I have two wheels in assembly, and I have 4 bolts, and I have 4 nuts. So the problem is now is the levels. It's a flat list, so we can easily rearrange the levels. So we can switch to multi-level BOM. You can actually start from multi-level BOM as well. And now I can take this axle assembly up, and I can level down these components, and by leveling down these components I am reorganizing this bill of materials, and these bill of materials immediately become the multi-level bill of materials for my demo skateboard. So I can switch it to the flattened, and you can see now the calculations are right. Bingo. So you see, very easy way to sketch anything you want. You don't need to worry about anything. You can put all information in, and you can sketch any bill of materials you want. Okay, so what is the next option? So the next option is to go a little bit more sophisticated. Is if I want to reuse items, because if I have this one place with the nut, but I have another place with nut, I actually want to have description and some other information preserved. So how can I do it? So in this case, I can start and I can create a new BOM, and I will use the catalog. So catalog is the function in OpenBOM that allows you to keep a central place for all item information. So let me do another skateboard. So that would be my another skateboard, and I will do it in a slightly different form. So I will keep my catalog connected to this bill of materials. And now you see the template is slightly different, because now when I am typing part number, I am immediately getting a possibility to define item information. So the item information is the list of properties that some of them stored in the catalog. So I can put, for example, axle assembly, and again at the same time I can put the quantity. So I have 2, and I can save the cost. So I save this information, and I can save this information. So now pay attention, when I will use this axle assembly next time, it will already reuse all this information, axle assembly, cost. So the information already stored in OpenBOM database. So now I can put board, for example. Basically the information, the process is the same, but the moment of time I want to create item information, I need to go to this item information panel. So, and I can put here the data, and this data will be preserved in a catalog. So this catalog, it's something that can be edited separately as well. So when I am in the item info, I can click on this catalog, and I am getting to these places. So you see, those are two items. Actually, those are items for this BOM, but this catalog might create items from other BOMs, and you can see I have already items here. I can easily add any information here. For example, I'm missing the axle image, so I can take it from another item, or I can bring it from some other places. So if I have a skateboard board, I can, for example, take this image if I like it, and I'm going back to this, and I put this image here. Okay, so you can see now, by the way, if I'm getting back, this beautiful information already here. So whenever I'm going, that's the way the BOM will be organized. So the third way to create bill of materials, I will do the same sketching, but I will be reusing components that I already created, the components that I already have in my catalog. So I have already catalog with the components, and I will create a new BOM, and I will reuse these components. So let's create bill of materials for this skate. And I will sure that the catalog is connected, so I will be able to reuse components from this catalog. So you can see parsing catalog is connected, and now I will start selecting components from this catalog. So let me pull the board, let me pull axle. So let me pull this axle, and let me pull glue. So I can search here if I want. Let's say I'm searching for glue, so I can get the glue. All right. Now the interesting thing will happen is that when we get in components, we also can inherit the bill of materials of these components. So if I will switch now to multi-level BOM, we realize that this component already had its own bill of materials. So you see, OpenBOM is combining things together. So let's say in this component was already having a wheel, nut, and bolt. So I can easily restructure things. So I have, for example, 30 grams of glue, I have 2 axles, and I have 1 board. Now let's say I want to put glue in this board assembly. So I can take it down, and I can level down this component so the board will become an assembly. So I selecting this, I level it down, and as you can see, we got this glue connected under board. So you see, there is a magic of OpenBOM. You can flexible change structure, you can reuse components with their data, and you can basically create any BOM you want, also from scratch, in many different forms. So forget about Excel. Everything that you can use is OpenBOM to connect data together. And now remember, again, like in previous times, switching to flattened BOM, you get the right quantities calculated. So that was all with OpenBOM and the way to create OpenBOM bill of materials from scratch. So I hope you find this useful, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.